Thank you for buying this 15108 bracket shelf set from FixtureDisplays. This comes with a pair of white gloves and everything you need to make this shelf bracket. It's a 4-set kit, so everything comes in 4s. You can locate this product by searching 15108 on FixtureDisplays.com. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. CS, that's Charlie Sam, at FixtureDisplays.com. Now, this pipe we also sell separately. It is 8-inch end-to-end. It comes with a protective coating. So if you rub against your white glove will get dirty. If your particular environment requires cleaning, you can clean it off, and optionally, you can also apply clear coating if you so wish. We're going to show you how to put this together. The flanges come with female 1/2-inch thread, and you can thread all the way in or just enough to do your job properly. Now we're going to put on the cap. It's a round cap, come with a 1/2-inch female threading. We also sell this part by itself. Now we're going to demonstrate how to fasten that on your wall. Your particular wall may be drywall, maybe concrete, maybe wood, but the principle is the same. You will drill pallet hole first, and perhaps start with one hole, or you can use the flange to mark on all 4 holes and then drill. We do supply some anchors, plastic anchors, and a screw. So drill the pallet hole and then insert the anchor. If you are working against the drywall, it is advisable to find your stud and fasten to the stud for stronger performance. Assume you are planning to put on some heavier weight materials. So you can always start with the 1 hole and then work on the other 3, or you can work on 4 at the same time. When you do that, you run a slight risk of alignment, and you don't have to do all these holes. For some applications, you are probably pretty good with 1 or 2 holes. Now, if you are running a pair or more, it would be nice to use a level to make sure your hole positions are on the same plane. Now we're putting a piece of board on top of it. If your plan is to sit the board on the tube alone, not on any part of the flange or any part of the cap, then you have to measure your board carefully. I recommend you assemble the bracket first before you make your board. And if you wish to know what board measurement would work here, I can give you some indication. That is, your board, if you want the board to be on the tube only, not on any part of the cap, your board should be 170 millimeters precisely or less. In inches, that is 6.7 inches precisely or less. Now, if you don't mind or even plan to have the board sit on the butt end of the flange or on some portion or all of the cap, or even extending through the cap, then you can easily go to 8 inches or more. The measurement, the entire length of the bracket is 8.3 inches from tip to tip. So you can overhang a little bit if you so desire. Any questions? Email us cs@FixtureDisplays.com. You can also search on FixtureDisplays.com to find other connectors and tubes and pipes to make your more sophisticated fixture. Once again, thank you for shopping Fixture Displays. I wish you have a blessed day ahead of you.